Hey guys, I just created a full guide on the Jumptask Withdraw Trust Wallet process tutorial. So the first thing you need to do, of course, is open your Jumptask dashboard, log into your account, and just check your Jump token balance on the dashboard. So what you need to do, if you have not already linked one, you need to connect a wallet. So you just go ahead and click Connect to Wallet and choose either MetaMask or Wallet Connect. And you can use Wallet Connect to link your Trust Wallet by scanning the QR code, okay? Now, you need to withdraw GMPT to Trust Wallet. So once you're connected, click on Withdraw next to your GMPT balance. Enter the amount of GMPT you want to actually withdraw. And of course, you need to confirm the transaction in your Trust Wallet. Basically, there'll be a small BNB gas fee that may be required, so just keep that in mind. Then just check your Trust Wallet for confirmation. Just open the Trust Wallet app. You'll see JMPT added under the BNB Smart Chain BEP20 section once confirmed. Okay. And if JMPT does not show up, guys, just go ahead and tap Add Token. Search for JMPT, enable it, or you can add it manually using the contact address from CoinMarketCap. Okay? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.